What's up, people? How are we doing? I'm doing all right. um, let's see here. I was I was trying to work on some of these performance stuff, but now I'm kind of in the middle of that, and I really don't want to be streaming that. I don't think, just because it's so boring. So I think I'm gonna just move on, and I'll double back on those. Today I'm gonna be doing I think this login, the login things, maybe fixing these smart suggestions, and then I'm gonna be working on the auto detect to-dos, and then probably some of the more thing and select actions. Be insert thing below. People keep asking about that one. That's the plan. Good morning, NS. So that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. You know, things never go according to plan. But today might be the day. Let's do it. All right. Whatever. Yeah, let's work on these. Oh, my bad. Chill. All right, chill. Let's work on these login. I think I'm logged out currently. And I think this is the issue. Let's say I don't know my password. That's not a good warning message. There should be a better one. Also, what did it just do there? Maybe I should let it finish doing its other stuff. Sorry, I said I was going to start at 9. Then I started doing this stuff. You know? Lodash? I don't know if we have Lodash. Oh, yes we do. Yeah, let me let these finish. What up, Rodrigo? How are you? You removed your message, so I'm not sure what you said. What up, Rich? You. Thank you. Appreciate that. Hope all things are well. What up, Will be? 2 p.m. Was that 7 hours? 7-hour difference? And shout out Scotland. I like to be in there. I don't know. I just laugh. I just laugh sometimes. I probably was laughing at myself, to be completely honest. Okay, everyone hydrate. Man. What a life, you know? Let's be grateful. Hey, cursor, finish your job. 10 a.m. in Brazil. I thought Brazil was the same time zone as us. What is that, globe map? Globe. Oh yeah, y'all are over there. Maps of the world. So let's see here. We have Brazil. I'm over here. Dang, look at the whole South America is like not even aligned with America. I know that I've seen all those views of the maps of the world where everything's distorted, and like China is like, or sorry, India is like as big as, I don't know, Africa. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know anything. We got Scotland over here. What's Scotland? Is it that? I think it's this. Joe's in Spain, but he's +6. You're +7. So he might be like right on the line, or you're right on the line. Shout out. Are we done? Are you finished or are you done? Dude, what are you doing? Oh! Alright. So I picked my son up from football practice yesterday. Yes, Riley. And he goes to me, Dad, I cooked at practice. I last saw it. Doesn't Baller say that? I don't say cook. That's what Joe says about me. I don't cook. I don't know what I do. What do I do? Yeah, we're on top of BK. I went to Scotland and Ireland. Oh my gosh, chill. About a year ago. We golfed on the golf courses there. I didn't. I mean, I did maybe one time. But y'all, I think y'all invented that stuff. I think y'all invented this. Man, they give no respect. They're just UK. Put a little respect on Scotland. Is this done yet? Dude, I don't care. What do you, like, nobody cares. Yeah, they have a lot of them. Sorry. Not bad. Not bad. Everyone chill out. Everyone chill. I was going to show you some things I wrote down about Scotland. Let's see, we did we played a lot of Troon, Marine Troon, no Troon. We stayed at the Marine Troon though. They played. My brother called me a loser because I don't play golf. We played Turnberry. I won't say the first name of that golf course. They played Royal Troon. That was the next day. We played St. Andrews. That was dope. That was the only one I did play. Then they played Kings Barnes. Then Jubilee. Then Carnoustie. again. I think this is, yeah, then we went to Ireland for the rest of it. Golly, Future's sick. Thanks, Nino. What'd I do? I restarted my whole computer because at one point, I don't know what it was doing, but I was like, I need to restart it. This is insane. All right, we're done. Everyone, let's start doing things. Everyone get ready. I'm going to try to fix that login. Weird bug because it's actually not a server error. It's actually a it's like your, what are you doing? What are you doing with your what are you doing with your life? You put in the wrong password. Remember your passwords. Sorry, getting distracted. All right, here we go. Login. I think we need auth. I want to fix an error message when people try to sign or try to log in with the wrong password. Currently, we showed this. And I know, that's not it. I know. Currently, we showed this. But it should say password or username is incorrect. Please try again. Unless there is an actual server error, right? So the current message of server error is a little misleading. Can you please help improve this? You can't, but we can. I want it all. I want it all. See, that's just not what we're doing here. Let me give them the actual. Just not what we're doing here. That's not how it works. It's not what we're doing. Good. Wanted that to happen. Just a simple one. Just a simple one. Here is the backend code. I don't think it gives the status and messages that you're assuming it does. Would you like to simplify the error handling based on what would be returned? Rich, just for complete transparency, I actually did not. I clicked no update button. I just restarted my computadora, and then the magical update gods updated it for me. The update gods? That's no. I know they're, I mean, hey, everything has a god. You ever talk to the Wi-Fi gods? They'll give you a couple MBs. If you're nice. Hey, Cursor, quit freaking out, my guy. Jeez. Rich, you're double tasking on the chats right now. You must have the same screen that I have. Girls just wanna have fun. Like, what are you even doing right now? Chill out, my guy. Also, just, how about, oh my gosh. We don't use any of these. Just finish. Just finish. I'm sick and not working. Wow. I'm sorry to hear that. Dude, I was the sickest of my whole freaking life a week ago. I don't think I'd ever remember being that sick. I couldn't even move. Everything hurt. Which, you know, God bless. That's the worst I've ever been sick. You know? I hope you heal fast. No one likes being sick. Touch you, I'm gonna shoot you. COVID? See, my mother thought it was potentially COVID. My lady friend, who also had the same sickness that I had, took a COVID test and she tested negative. So I don't believe it was COVID. It seemed like COVID though. All right, now you're just messing around. All right, I'm stopping them. You're crazy. I won't tell them that. Right now. Do you have COVID? Did you test yourself? Are you a COVID patient? Oh my gosh, we do 500 for all? Dude. The thing about it though is it has these little air pocket things that I think started occurring maybe like right before I left for San Diego. So maybe like a month ago. All right, let's do it. God bless. Negative test, so yeah. What are your symptoms? I had a fever, a sore throat, body aches. I think that was it actually. But my head, oh my gosh. I know. Pow! Good stuff. If the server actually is down, I don't believe it would pass back 500. Are we handling when the server is down? Sore throat, tight chest, body aches. Wow. So we're pretty close. I don't know about tight chest. Maybe I had a tight chest, but do you have asthma? You do. My lady friend has asthma. She also had a tight chest. She actually ended up having, is this TMI? I don't know if I can say anything. Take care of yourself. What up, Joseph? Sorry, Bilbo Joe. Achoo. I love it. Good stuff. Thank you. Okay. So log in with lists and things. Oh my gosh. Let's see about this. Log in with lists and things. People might have already been doing this, and I just want to verify that it's working correctly. If you don't sign up and you start, yo, sup, you write some things down. You gotta maybe let's create a list too. How do I do that? Oh yeah. Cool. Where's my one time? Sauce. Bug. Now, if I were to log in, it should convert those over to the new account or to the account that I'm logging into because I don't have an account right now, but I have some things in a day. And I just want to check that logic. So if you don't mind, I think it's login user. Um, how does this happen? Ray meow. Ray meow. All right. Let's start a new one. That one did its job. Okay. If a user is created but hasn't signed up, they won't have a username, but they may, sorry, I don't like talking while I type. I feel like I'm annoying to people. I'm going to explain to it what it should do. I'm going to pass it in a bunch of other code, and then it hopefully will execute the things that I'm asking it to execute. And then we're going to test it with a login. And then I'm going to look in that account for a cool list with a one-time thing. I guess we also have some, oh, that's not going to do it. I think we're also going to have some shings on my day, Yosa, which, Yosa, I'm going to sign into this account. I think those things should appear here. Now, if all of this works correctly, yeah, yeah. Okay. Here's where the login. Here is the actual login. Take me to there, take me to there. And me actually. Take me to there, take me to there. Okay. Here are some of the local reducers, which would handle updating the existing lists for the new logged in user. Take me to there, take me to there. Okay. Take me to there. Was this the one? Yeah. To there. Take me to there, take me to there. And here is the back end for what we will be using. And you can see the merging of accounts and what is passed back. Please let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. All right, should we see it? Should we let it go? Who's ready? I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out. Here we go. One time. Come on. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What do we think? Oh, I'm scared. Ah! Will it show up here? That'd be stupid. I might have to change days. Don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. I said don't tell anyone. Oh my gosh. My people. 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 My. No, that's not the cool list. What the heck? What do we need? We need cool one time. Dang it. We're so close though. Oh. 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 Let's see. Oh. 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 All right. God bless. That was for y'all. Okay. Next, should we fix call and text smart suggestion or should we do auto detect to-dos? I'm going to do auto detect to-dos. Okay. What do we need for that? Thing slice? Maybe. Hold on, I need to go to the bathroom. But then we're gonna do it. Sorry. I know. I know. I know. I know. I know. Let's look at create thing. Just real quick. Real quick. Let me look at the old one. Yeah. I think it's this. Not. Man, that's cool. What? What the heck? What the? Where do we do it? Oh my gosh. Am I just not seeing it? I'm trying to read my hand right there with my eyes closed. Dude, how did I do that? Auto solve. Sorry. Get smart suggestions. It should be right there. Let's find a create. Swag. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Dead. Dude. It's not part of the reminders, is it? That'd be crazy. Okay. I think we call it to do. That's crazy. Smart links, yup. Add to do smart suggestion to note. I think we're on the trail. I think we're on it. I think we're about to get it. I was just overlooking it the entire time. Create new note. Create new note. Create new note. All right, cool. Wow, auto solve too. Who's this guy? What's up, best boy? What's up, Missile is the best boy? All right, let's do it. We'd like to implement auto detect to do in order for it to make a smart suggestion for a to do if the thing contains if the thing starts with a specific verb from a list of verbs. Since this is a local smart suggestion, like the reminder and calendar smarts. I'm doing it again. We're just gonna have it be, we're gonna just have the to-dos, smart suggestions, get detected, get added. We'll merge in the other smart suggestions when they return from the back end, and people will be able to click on the to-do smart suggestion in order to turn it into a to-do, and then we should remove that smart suggestion from the list of smart suggestions. So like this. Go to the store. Did I type that E? That should have a smart suggestion. Go. Since this low is a logo, we can add it first and then merge in the other smart suggestions when we get them. I'm doing it again. Remember to breathe. It should only get added if the ting is not a to-do, aka of type checkbox. And if we use the smart suggestion, we should remove the smart suggestion from the list of smart suggestions. We should also remove the smart suggestion if we turn the ting into a to-do on our own. I will now provide some old code in order to help you understand how it worked so you can implement your own. Sorry. It's a party. Uh-oh. Well, big day. Jay, I don't know how many times I have to repeat myself to you. So I'm just not going to. It's a party. It's a party. It's a party. Jeez. It's a lot of verbs. It's a party. Here is adding the to-do smart suggestion to a thing. You can see we do some specific logic to make sure the to-do is at the top of the smart suggestion. So it's a party. Let's do maybe like picking the to-do. Here's the to-do smart suggestion button handler. And then note type button. Set new note type, set note type. Here was the handler for when we picked a new type for a ting, and handling removing the smart suggestion if we picked to do and it had a smart suggestion for a to do. Sheesh. And here is the remove to do smart suggestion handler. Please let me know if you have any questions. You won't. I didn't see any goats yesterday. Renee, always oatmeal. Oatmeal always. How was your shower? I love showers. What do you think? It one-shot this guy? That'd be so dope. I hate him until I take him. I need one of those. Always oatmeal. Oatmeal always. Yeah, boy. I mean, I've got about 10 minutes until I start thinking about it again. And I'm already thinking about it, obviously, but can't wait for my strawberry one next. Wow, that was an adventure. Ho! We have all of these words? That's insanity. This is insane. Can you please improve how we handle that list of verbs so we aren't recreating it every time we run that function? What is this? Check first. Love it. Love it. We do need this though. Chill out, dog. Chill out, dog. For real though, like, do it up there. Let's be better. Cool. Cool. We don't use that anywhere. Let me think about this. Do we need to... Sorry. All right, should we give it a go? Hoi! What should be? Go to Costco. Dude, what is up with that? That's gonna blow my mind. Oh, I know why. Dang. Let me undo all these. Is that right? Yeah. This one I think I want to save though. Oh my gosh. Go to Costco. You won't? Bruh. Do we not have go in here? Yeah, we do. What's up? Maybe it's because we're not lowercasing it? No, we're lowercasing it. And to be my... What's another one? Review time. Bzz. I don't know what that means, but we'll see about it. It's not happening. Let's see. Let's try this. Review. I know. I don't know. I mean, I know, but I don't know. Is that even my background? What the gone? What the gone? I don't know. Hello? Oh, wait. Review? This. It looks like we are detecting the verb, but I don't think it's adding correctly. I don't see the smart suggestion in the UI. Or in the logs. Is a party. Is a party. Well, yeah. Un segundo. Is a party. Is a party. I think we should be merging them better. Here is the old action. And here is the merging, I believe, or adding. Wow. I think new Toro, which is super exciting. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to do it one day. Review this. Review this one. Hey? What? It still seems like we aren't merging them. Bow, bow, bow. Definitely a possibility, Mubin. Are we going to do it? Probably not. I think that is on the roadmap, though. So, if you believe in the roadmap, if you have faith in the roadmap, if you have patience in the roadmap, then for sure. Bow, bow, bow. Yes, we have focus timer part of a time tracking feature, collecting the minutes one used to complete a task and sending it to that list status. We also have that has 79 votes. We have keep records of the focus session on a to-do. That one has 21 votes. Yeah. Yeah, we know, Rich. We know. But I would suggest, if that is what you're looking for, you're probably looking for a task manager or a time tracking application. Maybe project manager. I don't really know. But there's lots of those. You know. It's a party. Chill, chill, chill. I know I gotta chill. Sheesh. Go Renee. Did I spell that right? Renee, let's go. Oh wait, shoot. Gave me other stuff. Whoa! Renee, what happened? How dare they? Dude, what just happened? Who did that? There's probably... Is this working? Does the day work? I had a lot of trouble with the days originally. Still do. Shout out all the people that have multiple days. Cry about it. Okay. It almost worked. Until it didn't work. I even had the smart suggestions opened. And then they reverted. Also, if we have a smart suggestion, like to do or reminder which are local. Can we display the colored smart suggestion even if the other smart suggestions are loading rather than the loading state? Also, please let me know what's going on with the smart suggestions. Thank you. All right, everyone chill. Oh. No one could forget your mom. Oh. Thought you meant in 2zap.com, 2zap.app. The first thing I ever wrote down, probably... I was thinking maybe dog. Maybe Calvin. I don't know. Excuse me. But if we got back smart suggestions, why did they disappear? These are the questions we want our answers to. What's up? Good question. I don't understand. But let's give it another go. Okay. Go to the store. You won't. Okay. I think this time it worked. Golly day looks good. Nice. Let's try the Garnet one. Sorry. Dude, what happened to the store one? I'm losing it. All right. It's almost working, where I don't believe we're saving the smart suggestions on the back end well. I'm not seeing the smart suggestions on web, which makes me think they aren't being saved with the ting. Can we look into that and see if we need to update an API call or something? Here is the old action one more time. Hey, Will, me too. Apparently. I don't know anything. I'm not laughing, you're laughing. Actually, I'm acoustic. All right, did it do it? Are you better? Are you doing the things that we wanted to do? Go to the store. And be faster. You're trash. Ooh. I see some errors. What's this about? What the is your problem? What did they say in the last one? Hold on. Is that right? What are we doing? Don't worry, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get their behinds. You think. What are they saying? Oh my gosh. Is everyone okay? Yeah, you probably shouldn't do that. What? Oh my gosh. You won't. You'd think if we already had smart suggestions going, this one wouldn't be very tough. You would think wrong. I do it all the time. Hey, what the going on? Is this doing anything? Are we doing anything? Are you doing anything? I have no faith in this. I have no faith. It's a party. Yeah? It's a party. All right, let's give it a go. You can do it. 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 Wow, did I just... That's crazy. Go to Disneyland. Yeah. Shots fired, Disney World. Holy logs. Sure, go for it, Sonic. I believe in you. Girl, it's a morning. Girl. We actually have an exposed endpoint, so, or we have a public endpoint. So, yeah, 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 yeah. These things are real. These are real things. Thanks for the, yeah. Okay. Wait, are we working on the web? Let's go. Thank you. It is saving now. Can you please? You act like websites don't exist. Can you please improve the UI of this, please? Improve the label of the to-do smart suggestion. Maybe even the icon into a checkbox. Not exactly. That's not exactly how it works. There's documentation on it, though. Is it doing it? Oh my gosh. This is what it used to be. Can you update the text a little, please? We probably don't need the subtext for now. Oh my god. Okay. Are you gonna do it or you don't want to do it? You're not feeling it? Not feeling it? Bananas. Dude, you still aren't doing what I'm trying to get you to do. So, I think we just want this. Yeah, good stuff. Yep, yep, yep. Keep it going. You can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. I mean, it's better, but it's not as tall, meow. Man, we're calling an Uber to Disneyland. It's a little fur. Turn into a to-do? I didn't do nothing. Yeah. I mean, if you still know your token and your username, you can still do it. But it's cool that you like to just mess around. Mess around. We just like to mess around. I know, Renee. What am I? What am I? Oh, just freaking. I'm exhausted from having nothing be working right now. Oh. How far away is... Yeah, I probably shouldn't. I'm learning. I'm figuring things out. Why did we not... My guy. So it made it into a to-do, but it didn't remove the smart suggestion, or it didn't save it. I think it removed it originally. Let me see if we can get some freaking logs going up. Milo. Damn. Bye, Rich. Feel better. I think it removed it originally, but didn't save properly. Yeah, when, is that what I look like? Do I look crazy? My hair's crazy. When things aren't working, oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Thank goodness for music, you know what I'm saying? It's just unfortunate that I can't share it with y'all. Because holy cannolis. No, bro. What? It saved the type correctly. What I'm saying is the smart suggestions weren't saved. I'm sorry, people. I want to move on to the next thing, but golly day. Just freaking pushing. Yeah, you think so? Let's give it a go. It did it. Thank you. All right, let's try one more. We need this case. Go to hike. I'm gonna do that today. Wait, that's not what, this is a good one though too. When I click on this, it should be a to-do. It should hide this because we shouldn't have any more smarts, but when we don't have smart suggestions, can we just hide the smart suggestions modal? I clicked on the to-do smart suggestion when it was the only one, and it applied well and removed it well, but I was still looking at the smart suggestion modal, which didn't have any more smart suggestions. Maybe if we click on the to-do one, we should just hide the modal. We should close the modal. Not for the other ones though. Maybe reminder and calendar and to do, but not links, please. Have you seen the video who did your hair? Excuse me, are you talking to me? No, I'm on the phone. Oh, I didn't think so. What? What? No, I haven't seen that. Sounds great though. Here, Renee. Let's see if they're even on here. Improve photos and caching. And this order is literally means nothing. Nino, I have it right here. Let me watch it. Oh no. What is that, Nino? What the heck did I just watch? What the heck did I do here? Go hike, go outside, go yourself. I know, it's not funny. I know. Last case we're gonna do is, what's the deal here? Why can't I type? A lot of hikes today, a lot of hikes. If I just change this, it should just remove the smart suggestion. Oh! That was so close. Dude, what was that? Maybe. Might be better. I tried the case where a ting has a smart suggestion for to do, but then I just manually change the ting into a to do, and it actually looked like the smart suggestion was removed correctly, but then it's there again. Dang, dang, dang. Do these logs help at all? Question mark. So many hikes. Literally all I do is hike. Wow, that's cool. I almost never use voice unless I'm running, but then I don't use it in twos. I use it on my lock screen. I was talking to Joseph about that recently. Perfect. Yee. How about this? How about this? Watch this. Watch this. Okay, so we still have the to-do there. The height of this thing is insane. Let's change this back to a dash. Now let's change this back to a to-do. Oh! Oh! It almost worked. It didn't work again. Yeah? Hmm. It's a party. It's a party. Ooh. All right. We want to do read stuff. Sorry. Dude, what's up with that? Honestly, though. That's a hard line right there. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. I just cried a little bit. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. That was me listening to Lil Wayne say amazing rap bars. He said, he said, always working on my Kraft macaroni tunchi, which is great. We love that Kraft mac and cheese, macaroni tunchi. And then he said, I F your boo for some Nobu, alcohol, and sushi. That was ridiculous. And then she asked for the number, and I told her deuces. Like, I'll see you never. And that's what gets Parker going, apparently. So it does seem to remove it eventually, but there is a flash of it being there and then not being there. Wait, of it not being there. And then it comes back and then eventually leaves. I'm surprised that it comes back. Dead. I F your boo for some Nobu, alcohol, and sushi. It's like, yeah, yep, uh-huh. Like, did you really have to do that, Wayne? Did you really have to do that? I mean, I get it. But damn. Good. Dude, that one was crazy. I love that one. Always working on my Kraft macaroni tunchi. Like, good stuff, bro. Dude, do you see that message or the thing I shared the other day? That was a Wayne lyric. He said, like, been about a bag because I always wanted to be a G. He's been about a bag because all he ever wanted was to be a G. That spells bag. That was crazy. Like, he's such about a bag. Read more. Drink more water. Drink water. Nice. Drink alcohol. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. Dude, what even is that? I can spell, and that's what that spells. That was crazy. What are we doing? It's still doing it. Let's try one more. Because what the is happening? Yeah, I think you're the only one that liked it, Nino. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why they go. Holy smokes, I'd need some oatmeal in my face right now. Oh my gosh. Angels, who you are. It almost worked. It's still reverting at least until there is another sync. Then it's removed well. I don't know what's happening, or if we need a delay of some sort or something, but the smart slinks and other smart suggestion properties aren't being updated locally well. I don't know, people. I don't believe you. Being myself. All right, let's try one more. Come on, they think they got it. Drink alcohol, don't forget it. What? Somebody else. Be myself. Dude, are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? There it goes. But I got the photo. I had the proof. I tried again, and it didn't. I think there is a race condition, but I don't know. Here are the logs and a photo of the smart suggestions still being there. Let me look at the being Here's the old to-do smart. Oh wait, that's not it. That's not what we want. Being just nothing, just me. Somebody else. Be myself. Hey. Here's the old action again. Looks like is 2000. George, get Renee some coffee. She needs it. And you're not doing anything. Oh yeah, you think you got it? Drink water. Water. I swear, if it were to have come back, I would have just freaking flipped the table. All right, we're calling it. Oh my gosh, I thought I saw it back. Almost freaked out. Ate. Don't want to do anything else right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. No, not really. I do want to work on this one. Definitely want to work on those. I wish that to-dos didn't freaking nearly murder me. All right. I'm not doing anything else. Hey, you know, what are you going to do about it? This one's really important for me. I like this one. And then I just got to keep freaking chugging along on normal stuff. But hey, you know, one thing at a time. Oh, I got to work on the performance stuff. That's priority numero uno. And oh god, I don't know why it's so bad. Okay. Thank you for being here. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, we're not going to do any of those things. Thank you for being here. I love you. See you tomorrow. I'll be here. Where are you going to be? And God bless. Happy Tuesday. Use TuesApp.com. You can still use V3. Is it up there? Soon we'll have a QR code for V4, but soon means like in maybe a couple months. Because we are the keepers of the keeper. Okay. I love you. God bless. And goodbye.